Hi everybody, it's RetroYuuki with another MudaeBot Discord update, and today we're going to be going over a few things. The new Discord update itself, and then MudaeBot, how it's affected by this update. And for those of you who play the MudaeBot Arena, this is a very important update as they changed the rules and how to start. So first, let's talk about Discord itself. So Discord made an update on September the 1st where slash commands are mandatory. So normally you would have gone to your server settings like here, and you go to server settings. These are your server settings. Now originally when the slash commands were not mandatory, you would have gone to roles and you would have gone to default permissions. Here there was a setting for slash commands. But because it's now mandatory, it's automatically on by default and you don't see it anymore because it is built in. So that is another thing that you need to understand. So what are slash commands in terms of Discord? So basically, depending on which bot has slash commands, all you have to do is press the slash key on your keyboard. I'm gonna do so here. So slash key, the one with the question mark when you shift. And you're going to see a list of commands based on which bot has commands. For example, we have the Mudae bot, which has all the commands that you expect, like the H, the G, the W, all that is still in there. You also have built-in commands like this one, but these are built in by Discord by default. Now you may have noticed that there is two bots in particular, the Mudae bot and MudaeGM. So all the Mudae bot commands are in here. Okay? Even the regular flamers. And here is the MudaeGM bot. Now you may have noticed there's only one command, and that is /infoarena. This is going to be very important in just a moment. Okay, but what happens to the Mudae bot in terms of gameplay? Nothing much. You can still do your claim game. You can still do your claim game with the regular $sign. However, if you are using a slash command like /w, they're going to reward you. They're going to reward you in terms of the Mudae bot. I believe it's by bonus Kakera, I think. You have to read the update here. But that's why I found out about. So they give you bonus, I believe, on Kakera and stuff like that. So that's how to look at it. Okay. Now let's get into the actual reason why I'm doing this video for you guys. So a few days ago, somebody commented on that previous update, which I would like to show you guys and shout them out. So if we go over here, you may have noticed that there's a comment on the top here by Vinicius Tarago, and he says, Arena, the $sign Arena doesn't work for me, and the MudaeGM bot is already in my server. I said I've been looking into it, and there's a new update of sorts, which I will get into tomorrow, which is today. Try mentioning the bot using a slash command, but wait until I test it out first, and that's what we're about to address here. So let's go ahead and go back to the server here. So let's go back to the Discord server. So the way to activate the Mudae bot, the MudaeGM bot, using the new update is this way. So we're going to go to my waifu arena. So to activate, you put slash and then info arena for more information. You're going to notice something new. You're going to notice that Discord update, you need to mention me before each command, and I specify each command. For example, $arena, and then you have to mention the bot. You know how you don't like to mention people in Discord because it's annoying? Well, in this case, you're gonna have to for MudaeGM. So, so for example, you use $, let's say arena, and then you put at MudaeGM. You do not need to do this for MudaeBot itself, at least for now. So as you can see, we have the regular stuff here. Now remember, it's for each command. So to add a bot, type $F space bot and then at Mudae. $. Let's try this out. $, and then at MudaeGM. So as you can see, because I added the at MudaeGM, now you can play. And then when you play, let's see, when you play, let me see who I own. I own one character. You see how it's still on the timer. So every time you play the MudaeBot Arena, you have to do the command, which is like this, and then space, and then at mention the bot as if you're mentioning me in Discord. So that's how this goes for the MudaeGM. Now let's read the update again because there's a little bit of a caveat, if you will. So they said, I had a feeling. Kakera value increase when rolling with slash commands plus 10%. Here's the deal. On September 1st, Discord made it mandatory for slash commands for bots without the mentioned content intent. Alternatively, you can mention a bot so it can see your message. That's what the translation is. Mudae, the regular Mudae, the one with the claim game, has the message content intent, so there's no changes. There is no guarantee, however, for the bot to keep the intent. So may be subject to changes in the future. So keep this in mind that what I just showed you might apply for the regular Mudae down the line. So for MudaeGM, you need to mention this bot each time starting today. I actually started September the 1st. Okay. So each command that you do with MudaeGM, like the $bot, skill GM, skill adding, all that good stuff, you have to mention the bot each time, otherwise it will not work. Okay? So keep that in mind when you are going to play the game, if you will. And that's basically how this new update is. Now keep in mind, if you have any questions about this new update, I am planning a new channel for like tutorials of stuff like this. I've been working on a streaming I've been thinking about a streaming channel. I've been thinking about a tutorial channel for streaming and tutorials about software and all that good stuff. If you guys are interested, let me know. I'll think about it as well. Also, I'm still thinking about the Mudae channel myself, if it's worth it. But I'm gonna definitely keep it on the main channel, okay? For now, we'll see you guys at another time. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. We now have merch, so make sure you guys get that out on the way, get that out there soon to come. We'll see you guys soon.